Shout out to Lioness and Wild Goose Pottery. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shoutouts for future videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making just unplanted my gosh, unscented soap bars. Double milk bars, so using fresh Australian cow's milk, frozen. Remember those ultra concentrated milk cubes I made and I froze them? Well, there's a couple of those in here. So basically what I did was a 1-to-1 ratio of milk and milk powder just to make it extra creamy and concentrated. So that's what's in the oil here. This is actually the first batch of soap I'm making for my little hustle on the side, King of Suds. So it's a second little brand, you know, on the side I'm making. I'm launching over the next few months as well. And it's so that I can actually have bars in my range that is going to be using fragrance oils and micas. So it's still going to be vegan. Mostly, apart from this one I'm making now, but mostly it's going to be vegan. It's going to be palm free as well, and I'm just selling soap there. I'm not selling anything else. The King of Suds purely is just soap for the body, and that's it. So I've been contemplating for a long time whether to, you know, bring a range, you know, to Dawn Organics that, you know, obviously uses fragrance oils and micas, and I was always tossing and turning between, you know, just the idea of it, and it never sat right kind of putting it in. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and create a second business, just a little, you know, on the side, nothing big or fancy, and you know, just sell soap through Instagram and, you know, Facebook and whoever likes to kind of, you know, use those platforms. And it's going to be a very basic website as well, just one page website, and very, very simple. It's just for my creative outlet, so I can play around with so many different things, and they are going to be priced a little lower. Obviously aromatherapy is very expensive in soap, so I'm going to be pricing them pretty affordable, between the $5 and $8 mark, depending on, you know, what it is and how big they are. So this is my 2 kilo batch here, so I'm planning to get 28 bars from this extra long loaf here that Vinny made me, and it's 30% coconut oil, 30% soybean, 30% Australian extra virgin olive oil, 5% castor oil, and 5% Shea butter. So this is my one recipe that I'll be using across King of Suds. The only thing that'll be different from, you know, this and all the others will be obviously the fragrance, the color and the additives, and that's it, but everything else is going to be the same. So in here, of course, natural vitamin E. I put the sodium lactate in here as well. I put sugar syrup here as well, like how I got the idea from Ellie's Every Day, and I've been using it in all my recipes now. So the sugar's in there as well. In here it's just plain old distilled water. The lye's already mixed in. 1% sodium gluconate, 1.25% salt as well, pink salt, and the sodium lactate in here is also 1.25%. So obviously full recipe available in the description, percentage wise. So it's going to be a very, very simple, straightforward recipe, nothing over the top, but beautiful nevertheless, functional, affordable, nice, you know, small size bars, nothing too over the top. And this will be the first bars that I'll make for King of Suds. I'm very, very happy to do this. And even though this is still unscented natural, nothing synthetic in it, there's 3% Australian white clay as well. Of course, I will be having natural soaps with King of Suds. I will be doing some aromatherapy as well, but just the base recipe will be the same across the whole board. Right, so I'm going to stop my yakking, and we're going to make some unscented double milk soap.